Hi, my name is Andre Palmer, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a basic one-drop reggae bass line in FL Studio 20. Let's begin. In the last video we did our basic beat. Let's play it. So now in this video we'll be adding our bass line. There are lots of ways. There's lots of plugins that you can use to add your bass line. But for this video, we'll be using FL Slayer. Yes, we'll be using Slayer because we can get a good sound out of Slayer. Let me find the keys. Feature. In FL Slayer they have a preset, so we're going to right click and search for the bass settings fretless. Fretless bass have a good sound that we can use to create our bass line. So we're going to add a new pattern, name it bass. And then we're going to go into the piano roll to create our bass line. For reggae has multiple bass patterns. We're going to use one of the basic ones. I learned this one watching a video from, I listen to a lot of reggae music, and also watching Sly and Robbie give a Red Bull Academy talk about some basic patterns that they use when they're creating their beats. And it kind of helped me understand in terms of the basic reggae patterns that you can create. There's lots more. There's a lot of variations, but this is very basic, and we're going to be using the 1-4-5 chord progression for this tutorial. There are 7 notes in a scale, and the 1st, the 4th, and the 5th, that's chords in the scale we're going to use as our chord progression, and we're going to be doing this in the key of C. Alright, so that's our bass line, basic reggae bass line. What we can do now is we can use the parameters on FL Slayer now to tweak the sound of the bass. We can use the damp parameter to kind of give it more of a muted sound. So here it sounds. Alright, so here, so we're going to go in our playlist window and we're going to add our bass line, just click, and then we're going to drag our drum pattern. So let's even rename it so we can find it easily, and name it drums. and we're going to paint it until the end of the beat, and then we're going to click song and then play it and hear how the drum pattern sound with the bass line. And that's it for this video. That's our bass line with the drum beat. In the next video, we'll be adding our piano bang, and we'll be wrapping up the beat now with our organ bubble, and we're going to fully arrange the beat now into a song. Thank you for watching. My name is Andre Palmer. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you're on YouTube. And thank you for watching.